coasters and carving out the wooden part on the router, and then I'm laser engraving a customization with the wood onto the wood with the laser.
Wow.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
Back.
Learned in. I mean, I go to schools and I'll say, okay, I'm going to bring a piece of equipment in. Okay, what kind of screwdriver do I need to take that screw out? And the teacher will say an X. Unfortunately, fading away, and most corporations are scared because there aren't enough people with basic skills in that.
How you doing, Joel?
Good. Oh,
So what you would do is, this is just regular pancake batter, and this machine uses air pressure to dispense that batter, and then it would move along these two axes. So here, and it's going to go ahead and do its thing.
Oh, we made a pancake.
Yeah. And so there are files saved in here for different shapes. You can see we've got like a cat here. And so
That's what that is.
yeah, so you can see kind of the ears here. It didn't come out perfect because of the batter consistency, but it'll extrude the batter in this sort of outline first, and then like pause and let that brown so that you get the different shades to give you the ultimate pancake design.
What was this one?
That is Olaf, and you can kind of tell you got a carrot nose there, and the ears or whatever you would call that. Again, the batter consistency, if you get that just right, you can really get a good pancake. They taste the same either way, so that's it.